Welcome to Shubhraja Academy. Today we are going to solve first exercise of Maths Chapter 2 Fractions and Decimals for Class 7. Let's see the question. Solve 2 minus 3 by 5. Here we have one whole number and one fraction. So if the question is like this, first convert the whole number into fraction. So here you have 2. There is no denominator. So put 1 in the place of denominator like this. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now this is the correct format of the question. Both are in fraction. Okay. Next, look at the denominator for solving the problem. Here 1 and 5 are the denominators. Both are not in the same multiplication table. So I will follow cross multiplication rule. For cross multiplication, first I will multiply 2 and 5 and 1 and 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator I will multiply 1 and 5. Let's see how I am doing. First I will multiply 2 and 5 like this. 2 into 5. Then the symbol is minus. I will put minus here. Then 1 into 3. 1 into 3 I will write like this. Then in the denominator I will write 1 into 5 like this. So in the next line 2 5s are 10, then minus 1 3s are 3, then in the denominator I will write 1 into 5 5 like this. Look here, this is different sign. So for different sign I will subtract smaller number from the larger one. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So I got 7 by 5. Here 5 is lesser than 7. It means what? This is an improper fraction. Whenever you get improper fraction, you have to change the improper into mixed one. So changing, you have to divide like this. 5 and 7. 5 ones are 5. After subtracting, I got 2. So I will write first 1, then 2 and then 5. So this is my answer, 1 2 by 5. So 1 is the whole number and 2 by 5 is the proper fraction. So this is a mixed one, mixed fraction. Next question is 4 plus 7 by 8. Here also one whole number and one fraction. So first step you have to do is change the whole number into fraction. So here there is no denominator, so I'll put 1 here like this. 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. Here also 1 and 8 is not in the same multiplication table. So I will go for cross multiplication. For cross multiplication, in the numerator I will multiply 4 and 8. Then I'll put plus symbol, then 1 and 7 like this. 4 into 8 plus 1 into 7. In the denominator, I'll write 1 into 8 like this. Now 4 8s are 32 plus 1 7s are 7, and in denominator I'll write 1 8s are 8 like this. Here same sign, what you will do? You have to add these two numbers and put the symbol whatever in the question. So here we have plus symbol, so I will put plus 9 by 8. Look here, 8 is lesser than 39. It means this is an improper fraction. So whenever I will get improper fraction, I will change this into mixed one. So for that I will divide like this. 8 4s are 32 and I will subtract. I got 7. First I will write 4, then 7 and then 8. And my answer will be 4 7 by 8. 4 is a whole number and 7 by 8 is a proper fraction. Next question is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. This is correct format. Both are fraction. So no need to change at all. So directly we can solve the problem. First look at the denominator, 5 and 7. Both are not in the same multiplication table. So what we'll do? We have to follow the cross multiplication rule. So first multiply 3 and 7 and then put plus symbol, then multiply 5 and 2, and in denominator multiply 5 and 7 like this. 3 7s are 21 plus 5 2s are 10 by 5 7s are 35. Then I added 21 plus 10, 31 by 35. Here 35 is greater than 31. This is already in proper fraction. There is no need to change at all. This is your answer. Next question. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Look here, this is both are fraction, so no need to change. So directly we can solve the problem. Look at the denominator, 11 and 15. 11 and 15 are different. They are different, are in different multiplication table. So we will apply the cross multiplication rule. So for that, I'll write 9 into 15, then minus, then 11 into 4 or 4 into 11, then 11 into 15 in the denominator like this. So 9 into 15, after multiplication I got 135 minus 44 by 165. So this is different sign. Difference for different sign, I will subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So 135 minus 144 is 91. 91 by 165. So here also this is proper fraction because denominator is greater than numerator. So this is your answer. Next question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here the number of fraction is 3. If you are going to add or subtract 3 or more than 3 fractions, then you have to follow LCM method. That will be easy. You can do cross multiply as well, but LCM will be easier than the other method. So first we will take the LCM. LCM of all the denominators. Here the denominators are 10, 5 and 2. So I'll take the LCM. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, and 2 is not in table 5, so I will write 2 as it is. Then in that I'll divide this 2 1 2 by 2 like this. 2 1s are 2 and 1 and then 1. The LCM will be 5 into 2 into 1, that is 10. LCM, here the LCM is 10. Next step is I will divide the LCM and denominator of all the fractions like this. The denominator will be outside and the LCM will be inside. So first I'll take 7 by 10. Here the denominator is 10. I'll write in the out, and the LCM is 10. I'll write inside. 10 1s are 10. Here remainder is 0. Next I'll take the second fraction 2 by 5. Here denominator is 5 and the LCM is 10. 5 2s are 10. I'll subtract. Next fraction is 3 by 2. I'll divide 10 by 2, that is LCM by the denominator. 2 5s are 10. Okay, I got 3 quotients here. So first I will multiply the quotient and the fraction like this. For 7 by 10 I will multiply 1 to numerator and the denominator, and for 2 by 5 I will multiply the quotient 2 to 2 and 5, and for the fraction 3 by 2 I will multiply 5 to numerator and denominator like this. 7 into 1 by 1 by 10 into 1, then plus. Here the symbol is plus. Then for 2 by 5 I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 2, and for 3 by 2 I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by 5 like this. Now multiply and write the answer. 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. Here I got the same denominator, and for solving the same denominator you have to write one time here like this, and then write all the numerators like with symbol like this. 7 plus 4 plus 15. All are same sign. So I am going to add all these things. and I got 26 by 10. After reducing it, I got 13 by 5. So here 5 is less than 13. It means it is an improper fraction. So I will change this improper fraction into mixed one. For that I have to divide. 5 to the 10. I got 3. First I will write 2, then 3 and then 5. 2, 3 by 5. You have to write like this only. My answer is 2, 3 by 5 in mixed fraction. Okay, next question is 2, 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 2. Look here, this is mixed fraction. First, you have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then you have to solve the problem. So for converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction, we have to follow one step. Look here, first 2 multiplied by 3 and then whatever you got the answer plus 2, like this. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Like this you have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. This will be your numerator, and denominator, whatever the denominator is, you have to write the same denominator. Here it will come 8 by 3. You can see one more time. For changing this, 2 into 3, this 2 into this 3 plus the numerator, that is 2, by that whatever the denominator in the question. Here we have 3. So the answer will be 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. See, I have written like this, 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. Like this you have to write. Next, the symbol is plus, right? Write plus here. The same thing you have to write, you have to do for this also, this mixed fraction, 3, 1 by 2. First you have to multiply 3 into 2, then add 1, right? So you can write like this, 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, next line, solve these two things. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 by 3, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 2. So I will write 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2 like this. Here comes our question. The first first 3 to 4 questions format has come. Here look at the denominator, 3 and 2, both are different. If the denominators are in different multiplication table, then you have to follow cross multiplication. The same formula you have to follow. What you will do? 8 into 2 plus 3 into 7 divided by 3 into 2. You have to write like this. 8 to the 16 plus 3 7 21 by 3 is 6. Write like this. Add 37 by 6. Here 6 is lesser than 37. It means it is an improper fraction. So change the improper into mixed one. So for changing it, you have to divide and then you have to write first quotient, then remainder and then divisor. 6 1 by 6 will be your answer. Next question. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 8 by 5. Here also both are mixed fraction. So first change the mixed fraction into improper one. So for that you have to multiply 8 into 2 plus 1 by 2, then minus 3 into 8 plus 5 by 8. 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 1 by 2, then minus 3 8 are 24, 24 plus 5 by 8. 16 plus 1 is 17, then minus 24 plus 5 is 29 by 8. Now look here, 2 and 8 are the denominators. Here 2 and 8 comes in table 2. So these two numbers are in same table. So we will follow LCM method here. For LCM method, you have to take LCM of the denominators. So I have taken LCM of 2 and 8. I got 8 as LCM. This is the formula, denominator then LCM. You have to write like this. So first I'll take 17 by 2. Denominator is 2 and the LCM is 8. So 2 fours are 8. Next, here quotient is 4. Next fraction is 29 by 8. Here I will divide by 8. So 8 ones are 8. Here I got quotient 1. Now it's time to multiply. So I have taken 17 by 2 and the quotient. I have multiplied the fraction by the quotient. Then minus. Then second fraction 29 by 8 by the quotient 1 and 1 like this. After multiplication, I got answer 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8. Here, look here, both are same denominator. So I'll write 1 time and then the numerator as it is. That is 68 minus 29 by 8. The different sign means I'll subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. I got the answer 39 by 8. Here this is also an improper fraction. Denominator is lesser than numerator. So I will change improper fraction into mixed one. For that I will divide and then change. And I got 4 7 by 8. So 4 7 by 8 is the answer. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you.